orange color, light pink color, blue color, light green color, brown color. The next one is white color exactly. Silver color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color, purple color, black color, dark pink color, dark green color. Stay with us. We will be writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Dark pink color A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. First we are writing the alphabet A. The next one is B, B, C. The next one is D, D for dog. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. Silver color. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I. J. The next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lemon, L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Stay with us. O. The next one is P. Q for queen. The last one is R. R for rose. First we're opening the color of silver. And the next one is light green color, purple color, red color, light pink color, orange color, white color, brown color, blue color. The next one is dark green color, black color exactly, dark pink color, yellow color, sky blue color. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets A to Z. Sky blue color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
The next one is
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
D. D for
Q,
dog,
R,
D for
S,
dog.
T,
E for egg, E for elephant.
W,
F for fish, F for fan.
Y, and
G for
Now
God.
I know my
Yellow color,
ABCs.
exactly.
Next
Now
time,
we're
won't
writing the alphabet
you
of
sing
H.
with me?
I, J, K, L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Light green color, exactly. The alphabet of O. P, Q, R, S for snake. T, U for umbrella. The next one is V. Now we're using the color of purple. V for van. W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. V with green color. Kids, the next one is deep olive green color, yellow color. The next one is pale blue light color. Castle pink color. V with purple color. Stay with us. Raw silk color. The next one is cream color. Emerald green color. Coral red color. The next one is warm gray color. And the next one is lavender color. Lavender color. Stay with us. First we're using the color of warm gray and writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A. B for ball, C for cow, C for cat, C, dog, D for dog, G, E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabet of E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. G for gorilla, G. H for hand, H. I for ice, I for ice cream, I. J for jackfruit, J. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite, the next one is L. Exactly. L for lemon, L for lion, M for moon, M for mango, M. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. The last one is R. R for rose, R for rice. First we're beginning the colors. Scarlet color, hazel pink color, geranium color, Persian blue color, forest green color, like violet next one is cool gray color. Stay with us. Black color. Yellow color, exactly, yellow color. Rose, big color. Kids, the next one is mint, blue color. And the last one is baby blue color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Pencil, pink color. Now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A. B for ball, B. C for cat, C. D for dog, D. E for elephant, P. The next one is F. F for fish, F. The next one is G. G for God, G. Forest, green color. H for hand, H. I for eyes, I. J for jackfruit, J. K for kite, K. L for lemon, L for lion, L. M for moon, M for mango, M. N for nose, N for nest, N. Kids, the next one is O. Rose, big color. O for octopus, O. P for penguin, P. Q for queen, Q. R for rose, R for rice, R. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T. U for umbrella, U. Black color. Now we draw the alphabet of V. V for van, V for vanilla, V. W. X. Y. And the last one is stay with us. Light, pink color, orange color, black color, yellow color, dark green color, exactly, dark pink color, red color, light green color, purple color, silver color, blue color, sky blue color, brown color, white color. Kids, should we draw capital letter alphabet A to B? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The next one is I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The next one is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Now we're writing alphabets. Light green color, the alphabet of A. The next one is B. C for cow, C for cat. D. D for dog, D for doll. Stay with us. Now we're using the color of sky blue. E. F. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. The next one is K. K for kite. Red color. L. The next one is M. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. P. P for penguin. The next one is numbers. First we're writing the number of 1, O-N-E 1. The next one is 2. 3. The next one is 4. Now we're using the color of black, writing the number of 4. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. 8. 9, and the last one is 10. T-E-N. First we're using the color of coral red color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cow, C for cat. D. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we're using the color of coral red. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for god, G for gorilla. The next one is H. H for hand, H for hand. I for eyes, I for ice cream. Stay with us. J for jackfruit, J for kite. The next one is L. L for lemon, L for moon, L for mango. Stay with us. N for nose, N for nest. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. E for penguin. Q. Q. F for queen. R. For rose, F for rice. S for snake. T for tiger. The next one is U. U for umbrella. for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Yes, Y. And the last one is Z. Geranium color, light violet color, forest green color, pastel pink color, cool gray color, Persian blue color. The next one is baby blue color. And the next one is green blue color, scarlet color, black color, yellow color, rose big color. Stay with us. Persian blue color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple, A. The next one is B. B for ball, B. C. C for cow, C for cat, C. D for dog, D, D. E for egg, for elephant, E. F for fish, F for fan, F. The next one is G. Yellow color, G for god, the alphabet of G. H for hand, H. I for ice, I for ice cream, I. J for jackfruit, J. K for kite, K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon, L. Mint blue color, mint blue color. Now we're writing M. M for moon, M for mango. Stay with us. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. O for octopus, O. P for penguin, P. Q for queen, Q. The last one is R. R for rose, R for rice, R. Thank you so much for watching.